In this video, you'll learn how to change the Binance chart to a candlestick format. By following these steps, you will be able to customize your trading interface for better analysis of price movements. First, navigate to the Binance website and log into your account. Once logged in, open the spot trading interface by selecting any trading pair you are interested in. Locate the chart area, which is typically positioned at the center of the screen. Ensure that the chart is fully loaded before proceeding, as the appearance may vary based on your settings. Familiarizing yourself with the chart controls at this stage is essential for effective customization. Next, look for the chart type selector located near the chart toolbar. This selector allows you to choose different chart types. From the available options, select Candlestick. The chart will update instantly to display the candlestick view, providing a clearer representation. You may also want to adjust the time frame according to your analysis needs and enable any indicators if required. If there's an option to save the layout, consider doing so to streamline your future trading sessions. After that, customize your chart settings further to enhance visibility. You can change colors and themes to suit your preferences. Additionally, you may want to add moving averages or other indicators that can assist in your analysis. Use the zoom and scroll features to closely examine the price action. Once you are satisfied with the chart's appearance and functionality, save the layout to ensure you can easily access it later. It's advisable to confirm that your settings persist after refreshing the page. If at any point you find that the chart does not meet your needs, you have the option to reset the settings. This flexibility allows you to experiment with different configurations until you find the one that works best for your trading style. Bear in mind that large files or extensive customizations may affect loading times, so be patient during this process. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.